Alright, peeps, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so we're back. Irie-Acts. So today we're gonna react to this Skeng Don family. Alright, me I call them that. Them they name themselves that, but based on me see much like two videos for our channel, I should just start him baby mother mega say. Yeah, I just leave it at that. So Skeng Don Baby Mother, so Skeng Don family. I don't know if his last name or whatever, but yeah, our channel name, which I don't know, Asya Miller. I think I saw me you should pronounce it. If I'm wrong, you know, no do already in the comment section. So I think Asya Miller. She probably say her name in the video. So today we're gonna react to her. I don't know. She do some vlog and them thing there, you know, where them go and stuff like that. Just play, you know, behind the scenes and stuff like, you know, like in the artist life. I don't know if I the artist life that, but based on what I say, but let's see.
What's up, my OGs? Good morning and welcome to a brand new vlog. You know, it's again Asya here and back.
Remember, like, subscribe, and share the video. Them we are gonna get big. Don't worry yourself. Now watch your subscriber list. We are gonna get big. So you understand me? Like, share, subscribe, all that. Come on.
Back. Yeah, guys. So I'm out for work today. Yeah.
So I guess I she name Asya Miller based on what I say. So cause she did see at the whole host. So the two videos them I watch are she. So I guess I she is. So
basically I'm gonna have the clients today, but the persons that rent the station and the private room are moving in today. So you know, me have to let them in. I'm gonna get the contract printed, and also I'm gonna have to get the keys cut. So I have access to the building, right? So I'm gonna leave work right now, guys. Because my late, my telling say we are gonna meet 2 o'clock, and right now it's after 12, about 12:30 right now, and I have to go run the errands in on the road before I go to the shop, right? So come spend the day with me today, and let me get all of this done.
So based on my little knowledge of the two little video I watch, it's like she have some salon shop. I think that actually says she own some shop, so I guess that's why she not know. I don't know if some black scrubs. I don't know if that them, you know. I'm saying to people, I don't know about them people, and some kind of unbiased towards them. I don't know. But just see them channel and you know she's a Jamaican and I say, you know, we're best to take in an artist, you know, because him now vlog. Because see what you know behind the scenes in the life, yeah.
Bombat! Why? When you ever come in and carry in a sonnet yet? Bombat! Ay! Here, turn up the AC. Why?
People are really see in Jamaica with the sun and the car them. We need something over the car them. We need something we can just, you know, when you park, like a horning, just come over the car them. Sun too hot, man, you're in a black leather. You're going to them car them, you have to, and you go up and start the car, turn on the AC, lock door, because you're done Sunday. Yeah, they see it off a buck. You literally can't hear the fan them in the audio, like channel.
In here is so hot, guys.
And then China black. It not go good for her at all.
Guys, we're gonna leave one. Guys, so I just left out. So what was I doing today? So we're gonna shit.
People don't vlog and drive. Like my sister do it already, and yeah, don't vlog and drive. If you drive, don't you understand me? Because it will cause accident. So you can clear you hear like she sound like she's dropping a some patrol or something. So if you had no video on them something there, yeah, drive go where you go and then you vlog. You understand me? Yeah.
We're gonna cut the keys.
Watch it.
Yeah, guys. So we say we're going. Me I go pour more mile. Me I go cut the keys and me I go get the contract printed out. So the renters can have a copy and me can have a copy myself, right? So that's what I'm gonna do, and then we are gonna head back to the shop. I also gonna get food, and I did want to water for my friend.
Come like she want go whole heap of places. Yo, people, if me I do my errands for the day, me I tell you 1, 2, bam, do them and me gone back on my yard. When you up on the road and when me up on the road, me I figure out what me I go do. Again, you know what I do, then you jump. I don't know if probably it's a woman thing. Because me a man, if me a jump out go somewhere, me a jump out, go where me I go, then come back on my yard and then me figure out where me I go next from my yard. Again, me I say me not up on the road, unless me I go up on the road and you know me I go like family house or probably my friend house, and me know me I go probably chill. Then me go to the house or somewhere me know me good. Then I think, boy, you understand me? Where else me I go? So, I say them life different, you know. Them can go everywhere. Anywhere them want to Jamaica and do them things. So, them life different. I don't know, with me, I'm different. So,
Just open a car wash. And I'm tell me to come wash the car. So, we may be going to Waterford also. So, yeah. Support more guys and check in back with them.
alright, so it look like she could reach at the Portmore Mall. Some of that cut out some of that part there. It look like she reach at the I guess at Portmore Mall she should go first and then Waterford if I keep track. So I could say for that at the movements.
Listen, females, listen. You see, if you can't drive, please don't drive. You understand me? Because one woman does go she in a one van, and me tell her say why it look like it's a trailer she a drive. You know how long me there say drive park and that's Christ. That's not.
Imagine a female I tell other females say them not to drive. Whatever.
That's why them ever call for moms. Cause if you can't drive, please leave it alone. And then Andrew, the patrol in the road. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna buy my bees. Listen to me, I'm gonna talk to Andrew good. Andrew, you see what I'm buy my bees? My double park. Listen to me. But now I can't drop in a patrol. When the need for fix the road, damn, yeah, we need some road, man. Everybody I talk about it. Cause I don't know, little patrol. I don't know where I'm going on the road.
People, if you don't watch her enough, I don't know what kind of vehicle she know. But if you don't watch her enough, you know her life like that. You know, can comment and tell which vehicle. Cause she says she want a beast. I guess a BMW. Yes, but I don't know which vehicle it should. Look like one Vitz. I want Fit. I Honda Fit. I don't know. But tell me in the comment section.
I'm going to send out a message. Like Jaden, send out a message. But guys, so I'm going to the place now.
Andrew, a real talk. The patrol and me for sort out. We're tired of the bad road. I really think shut up, man. Yesterday the BMW and them coming some like a thin tire. So like a small tire. You see one patrol and I rim that. One, yeah, and if you want the country, you know, develop and you young people buy vehicle and step up in our life, yeah, the patrol and me for fix. Yeah, I really think shut up, I'm not lying.
Guys, so the PS full of go back. Hello. You guys print here also? But yes, I see the sign.
How do you come that way and then use your leg?
Hello. How much you got key?
500 depending on the key.
Oh shit, what is the key now? Yeah, I got key and phone back, right?
You're the boy's mommy.
Yeah, miracle.
You know what man say? You're the boys, mommy. People must feel like are the little boy, then little twin boys, them show. Twin them and them look like twin. Make the channel because with the little boy, they make God, they're so handsome. I see, I say, no man, I would have told little boy, and I say, I never, as I say, I never didn't say Skeng Don Mother. That's a name because you see our channel just name that, and them click on it. I watch that and I see him in it. I say, oh, I say, no man, I've got to take in the next one, guy. Sometimes when you watch the behind the scenes, the artists like a bit different. Me I tell you, it's like you think and say, oh, so them the things are because for the normal some people are into more living. I'm not gonna lie to you. So if you go somewhere, it's either your budget out where you spend already. You get me and say you know where you go do. You know say if I want 9-piece combo, we can afford a KFC. You understand me? Just so everybody can eat the family. That you go buy 8 no 9-piece good. Me get the extra piece. Man, you get me? I say I saw hunt to more people, and then sometimes we not found a drive. Sometimes you have to, we as people just like you have to get friend, you have to carpool, you have to invite people. Sometimes you don't even want nobody go with you. But just because say yo, you not drive, whoever normal drive and you man say go no with you. So you have to normal regular people. Them people are just road. Yo, if you what people you have got take in our channel. If you're taking our channel, you gotta see the 2 videos that me watch, and then even the back-to-back video. Road. Sometimes one time them in the video she yard sit down, say she not nothing for doing, so she done. So it look like the video I got done now, Look like the end of the vlog, end of the day. When you look, party. What people have to watch out it taboo them gone and just gone a taboo. Just so regular people, we not just if you not go, if you never plan for go, me know enough. If you never plan for go in the night, then you're not going nowhere. You have to plan a week or a 2 week before. You understand me? For say you work, so you can't just. People in Africa taking our channel. If you really want to get or understand what I say right now with the artist life, just don't watch what she do. So this are just for us. Our day, fear our day this. Go watch the back scenes of the artist life. Different sitting people.
Guys, and the mall, they have to pay $50 for people. I must say 100 for number 2. You see some of that? This and nature, this I so bad, Like, yeah, people do everything for make money. Let me take out the car. Me gang some of the key. And now the key. Guys, so I just get the key them and about 2 of them. I pick up the girl now and go by the shop. Right? I'm late because the next girl is supposed to reach here by 2 o'clock and it's 2:10 now. Yeah, we're late. So, me I gotta shut up the road. People. Me I stop calling the people. When I always say that, me I shut up the road.
People is a habit. See me just call people. That's it's a habit.
Oh jeez. And pick up the girl and then head to the shop right now. And then after I can get food. What do you think about that? Yes, so may I talk to no Marie?
Well, we think about that? Do you think like no? You see, well, I guess I don't know the vlogging thing because I never vlogged before. If you say Omega just broadcast my life out on the internet just like that. So I guess that's how you have to do it. You have to just interact with the camera, like, you understand me? Because I guess like you have a chat because some people live stream while I'm out. So I feel like live streaming you should actually have people in the comment section can react with her. Because a while ago she want people to react to her or react to what she just said, but she a make a video. And I say, so I don't know. If you don't want me to start the vlog, cause my life not really interested in it. But if you don't want me to start the vlogging, you know already in the comment section. Just let me know already. Cause right now, at the internet I do it.
Guys, so the girl not ready. So me buy sometime they taste this. Me buy one patty and one cocoa bread and for see if them have
No, you saw people stay though. Them for meet up 2 o'clock. She a drive go the place 2:10. That means that she done supposed to late already. But yes, well, and then she gonna and then I guess she have to wait. So you saw life stay, but sometimes yeah, some people don't like wait on people. Just like how I know the girl good say yo, if she did it at 2 o'clock, you would did it. Cause you that drive go 2:10 now, see you have to sit down and I wait, or I don't know if she know or she I go come. So life stay.
great name the deli sandwich. Yeah. Them deli sandwich nice guys and you can try it with tomato and cheese, yeah. But yeah, my taste is oh god, I don't want that video sharp because you beat me. You ever beat me say the sharp video them, so me try make it a little longer for you guys. So guys, my birthday is a couple months away. So I'm born April the 15th, guys. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Guys, I never have a good birthday. I never can say that. Like, I never have a good birthday was a plan and it and everything done on time. No, I'm not one of those girls.
You would have never believed. You would have never believed that. Say, yeah, you'd have never believed. Cause you know based on the life. But sometimes you have to get to sometimes then people will get busy. Because I guess when you live the life, they worship kids. So you know, well, you should just have the kids. But you know, where you have kids, sometimes you can't just stay at one place. You have to move up and down. And if you keep a birthday party just for you, the planning and everything, and some people if they execute it, them want to do it themselves because your birthday, you don't want nobody mess up your birthday. So at least your spouse I do it. I know Skeng Don now do that. Now go time we have got. I don't know. I don't know. It not look like that type of person to me. But I gotta just get up our time day and just a birthday party, plan it from the tea and make everything good. I don't know. So
I'm gonna need wait now I got some. Okay, so I'm gonna need one of those birthdays. My birthday was gone. Well, maybe true, I'm not that fussy, you know, I'm not really fussy with stuff, but I need one of them good birthday day. So let this one be a memorable one. Wait there. Wait. Guys, not everyone can call it now. So I'm not wait there. Let this one be a memorable one. Got it. Clock it. Yeah, everyone can call because I don't know if I'm a tongue or if I'm a mash mouth. Yeah, but then everyone can call, but I get that one day. But I don't know if I have no ideas what I can do. I do photo shoot already. I'll do that. Why this a people? So I do photo shoot already. I'll do back one. You know, with a different concept. So. But
people, if you not have no ideas for our channel, she should literally ask, run go to our channel and go flood her with ideas. When you see the type of content she posts, run go me probably don't know. Probably just I don't know. Still, call me, you know, the woman them do that. Call me, you know, if you tell her if you can read a couple lock right now. Because we want to see more artists. Yeah, I better will tell her, say, yo, yeah. We just want to see more of the artist life. That's all. We don't want to see nothing more, nothing less. Just the artist life behind the scenes. Away. You know? Like an artist baby mother with our artist wife. Let's put her as wife. Would actually do. You know, like cooking, cleaning. And I say and always I do, but most time like stacking stuff. You know, you can stack video there and keep the the show where the detergent them where she used in the land. Like stuff there, like woman, female stuff there. Cause I don't know where she could have done on her channel. That's why she don't have much content. Because if you go look on her page, she do 7 videos, like I don't even know how long. I don't know much time. So if you don't have no ideas and content, just run go flood our channel with them in the comment section because come I got that you want. Understand me?
One thing, I know most of them say travel, like my mom have 2 babies, so me have to start out that.
Travel at the norm. Traveling at the norm. You gotta travel every thing say if you move from A to B and you have vlog it or what that, not traveling, we gotta see you travel all the time. When I need to think about traveling. Run go tell her what me just say. Artist life vlog behind the scenes, I walk one. You know, for run behind him, but just for sure what you want do when this happen. You understand me? Yeah. What you're doing when this is happening. When this happen, yeah, me can't me have my own channel for run. Me have to about my own ideas. Who no go tell her? Go subscribe to our channel. See the name here? Asya Miller. Yeah. And me just call him the Skeng Don family. Call him say Skeng Don Baby Mother. For all who don't know. And I go see it at the thumbnail. And I go see it at the title. So when I feel like really want to watch more, you have to watch the rest of it. Me know Mega still watch it on my free time. But you have to go watch the rest of it. To see the rest of her day and tell her she should actually ask for ideas what she should do. So if you don't have no ideas for her, run go her channel go tell her. You don't hear what me say? If you don't want to tell her what me say, fine, me not a problem. Just that, I understand me? Nah, me have my channel for thing, but you should watch the video and hear what I'm saying. They get in consideration, fine. Props to she, big up herself. And respect for actually react to your video. So if you watch. So people, this is it. Yeah. So if you don't want to watch, if you don't want to see the rest of our day, run, go watch our channel. Alright people. What's up on yourself? If you like the vibe, just leave a like, subscribe, and share. This is Irie-Acts. I'm out. You know my name Bush T. Boom.